Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Cashapp card when disabled. So in order to enable your cash card on Cashapp, all you have to do is follow this instruction and watch the video till the end. Now before we get started with, you'll need to open up or log in into your Cashapp account and then click the profile icon from the top of your page. Once you open up your profile page, on the other interface, go ahead and tap the card icon from the bottom, and that's going to direct you to this kind of pop-up menu. So from here, go ahead and tap on activate cash card, which is located right in between. And on the other interface, you'll be asked to provide in some of the details, and after you've done that, you've successfully activated your cash card. After you enable your Cashapp card, once this is done, your card will be activated and ready for use. So sometimes it might also take a while, so all you need to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So in this way, you can enable Cashapp card when disabled. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.